How is Trump responding to the Senate's decision to curb his war powers regarding Iran? His reaction reveals deep tensions about presidential authority and military actions that affect us all. The Senate recently passed a resolution aimed at restricting former President Trump's war powers, specifically regarding military actions against Iran. This move was designed to reassert Congress's constitutional role in authorizing war, pushing back on what many viewed as unilateral executive decisions. The resolution requires the president to seek congressional approval before engaging in hostilities, reflecting growing concern about unchecked military authority. Trump reacted strongly to the Senate's decision, condemning it as an effort to weaken national security and undermine his ability to protect the country. He argued that limiting presidential war powers could embolden adversaries like Iran and restrict swift responses to threats. His statements emphasize a belief in strong executive control over military decisions, sparking a fierce debate about balance of power. The clash over war powers is part of a larger political struggle between Congress and the executive branch. Historically, presidents have often acted without explicit congressional approval in military matters, but recent events have brought renewed focus on legislative oversight. Trump's response underscores how contentious this balance remains, with implications for future U.S. foreign policy and military engagement. The Senate's effort to limit war powers and Trump's sharp response show how fragile and complex the balance of military authority is in the U.S. government. Understanding this battle helps you grasp how decisions on war are made and why they matter to your safety. Hit subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.